Ever felt frustrated with the unfair monetization policies on other platforms? You're not alone. The story of content creation in recent years has been a tale of struggle, of creativity and passion being stifled by systems that seem to favor the few at the expense of the many. In the bustling world of content creation, the journey of new and small creators often begins with a dream to share their unique perspectives, to entertain and educate, to connect with a global audience. But these dreams are often met with harsh realities. Imagine pouring your heart and soul into creating content, only to find that the deck is stacked against you. Unfair monetization policies often make it difficult for new and small creators to earn a fair share for their work. These policies, often cloaked in the guise of maintaining quality, can create an uphill battle for those just starting out. But it's not just the newcomers who are feeling the pinch. Even established creators are finding it increasingly difficult to navigate the ever-changing landscape. In fact, the year 2023 witnessed a mass exodus of creators from many platforms. These creators, who had once found a home for their content, were pushed to seek new horizons due to the mounting challenges. And it's not just about the money. It's about recognition, about respect for the time and effort that goes into creating content. It's about having a fair shot at success, no matter how big or small your channel might be. But as the barriers to entry rise, so does the frustration. In 2023 alone, a staggering number of creators decided to leave these platforms due to these challenges. This exodus wasn't a decision made lightly, but a necessary step for many in the face of growing frustration and diminishing returns. It was a clear message sent to the world. The struggle of content creators could no longer be ignored. Imagine a platform built with new creators in mind, where you can monetize your videos right from the start. Welcome to FairPlayTube. In the midst of the great creator migration of 2023, when so many talented individuals left other platforms due to harsh monetization policies, a new dawn is breaking. Enter FairPlayTube, the next generation of video sharing portals. This platform is built with a focus on users and transparency, a breath of fresh air in an industry that often feels clouded by algorithms and red tape. FairPlayTube is designed for the new creators, those just starting their journey in a world full of potential. It understands the challenges faced by small channels and does away with impossible monetization rules. Instead, it allows creators to start earning from their videos right away. It's not just about making money, it's about valuing your time, your creativity, and your effort. But let's dive deeper into the features that make FairPlayTube stand out. For starters, it gives you the power to analyze your videos, providing you with valuable data such as keywords, topics, and transcripts in multiple languages. This kind of insight can be a game changer, helping you understand your content and your audience on a deeper level. But it doesn't stop there. FairPlayTube is committed to helping you grow beyond your videos. With features like video script planning and passive income idea generation, it's more than just a platform. It's a toolbox for success. Need to create daily post ideas for social networks, infographics, or LinkedIn articles? FairPlayTube has got you covered. It even allows you to upload your generated transcripts to your videos on other platforms. FairPlayTube is not just a platform, it's a revolution in content creation. It's a beacon of hope, lighting the way for creators tired of navigating the murky waters of other platforms. It's a promise of a fairer, more transparent future in content creation. So let's welcome this new dawn. Let's welcome FairPlayTube. FairPlayTube stands out as an open source platform, allowing for personalized business needs. But what does it mean to be open source? Well, in the simplest terms, open source refers to a kind of software whose source code is freely available to the public. That means anyone can view, modify, and distribute the software as they see fit. It's a philosophy of collaboration and transparency that fuels innovation. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but the benefits are practical and powerful. Imagine a world where you're not bound by the rigid structures of proprietary software. A world where you can tailor your tools to your specific needs instead of the other way around. That's the power of open source. It's about putting control back in the hands of the users, and that's exactly what FairPlayTube does. By being an open source platform, it allows creators to adapt the platform to their unique business needs. Want to tweak the video analytics tool to better track your audience's behavior? Go ahead. Need to customize the video player to match your brand's aesthetic? You can do that. The possibilities are as wide as your imagination. But it's not just about customization. Being open source also means FairPlayTube is constantly evolving and improving thanks to the collective intelligence of its user community. When thousands of creative minds come together, they can spot bugs faster, come up with innovative features, and make the platform better for everyone. So whether you're a seasoned content creator looking for a platform that respects your work, or an up-and-coming artist seeking a nurturing environment to grow, FairPlayTube is designed with you in mind. It's not just a platform, it's a community that values collaboration, transparency, and respect for creators. With FairPlayTube, the possibilities are endless. So why not join this open source revolution and experience the power of customization, collaboration, and community? FairPlayTube harnesses the power of cutting-edge technologies to provide an optimal user experience. At its core, it's built on NetAspire. This cloud-ready stack is designed for building observable, production-ready distributed applications. NetAspire handles specific cloud-native concerns, perfect for creating an interconnected platform like FairPlayTube. The beauty of a distributed application like FairPlayTube is that it utilizes computational resources across multiple nodes. This means it can deliver responses to users quickly and efficiently, no matter where they are in the world. And by being cloud-native, FairPlayTube takes full advantage of the scalability, resilience, and manageability of cloud infrastructures. Powering FairPlayTube's interactive web interface is Blazor, a framework for building interactive client-side web apps with .NET. This allows FairPlayTube to offer a rich, interactive user experience, all while maintaining high performance. Underpinning this is the power of Net9, a free cross-platform open-source developer platform for building many different types of applications. It ensures FairPlayTube is robust, flexible, and can adapt to the needs of its users. FairPlayTube's secret weapon, however, is the integration of Azure OpenAI and Google Gemini. These AI technologies allow FairPlayTube to offer features such as keyword analysis, topic detection, and multi-language transcript generation. These tools help creators optimize their content, reach a wider audience, and ultimately succeed on the platform. And let's not forget, the platform is built with the language of C#, offering a strong, typed language that ensures the code is efficient, robust, and secure. This is crucial in maintaining a platform where creators' content is their livelihood. FairPlayTube is not just about advanced technology, it's about using that technology to empower creators. It's about creating a platform where everyone has a fair chance to succeed, where the playing field is level, and where your creativity, not your subscriber count, determines your success. Now, we need your help to continue the FairPlayTube revolution. Imagine a world where every content creator, no matter how new or small, has a fair shot at monetizing their videos. A world where the rules of engagement are transparent, and the platform truly respects and values its creators. This is the world that FairPlayTube envisions. But to make this vision a reality, we need your support. By becoming a GitHub sponsor for FairPlayTube, you're not just supporting a platform, you're supporting a movement that seeks to redefine the landscape of video content creation. Your sponsorship goes directly into the development and maintenance of the platform. It helps us keep the platform free and accessible for all creators, and continue to innovate and offer features that truly empower creators. But your contribution isn't just about the financial support. By becoming a GitHub sponsor, you're joining a community of people who believe in the same mission. You're part of a collective voice that says, we value content creators. We want a platform that is fair and transparent. And the beauty of it all? You don't need to be a tech whiz to contribute. Whether you're a content creator, an avid viewer, or someone who simply believes in our cause, your sponsorship can make a big difference. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that you played a part in creating a platform that truly respects and values new content creators. A platform that allows them to be paid for their creations, their time, and their effort. This is the impact that your sponsorship can make. So, are you ready to be part of the FairPlayTube revolution? Are you ready to make a difference in the lives of countless content creators around the world? Remember, the link to become a GitHub sponsor for FairPlayTube is in the video description. Join us in making content creation fairer for everyone.